of Misunderstandings in the Office. Frauke Mörike, Heidelberg University.
Thanks. Well, most of us are working in offices of the one or the other organization. But how does an office function, and which role do misunderstandings play in it? To address these questions, I did 1 year of ethnographic fieldwork in Mumbai, where I lived together with the members of an international consulting firm and accompanied them throughout their workday. Outcome is a holistic view from inside of the organization, yet extending way beyond office gates and work times. This seemingly paradoxical quote, "During a busy day, I don't get much done," summarizes very well the wall that I want to break with my research. Is on the one hand, it emphasizes the fact that the outputs of our work, such as presentations, documentations, etc., stand in the major focus of attention, and most of us are measured on them. But what really happens until such a documentation, such a presentation is delivered, is usually guarded safely behind a wall, and along with it, what being busy means. Now, let me take you with me behind the wall and have a look at how I'm busy really looks like. So during the course of my fieldwork, I did what I call activity snapshots of the colleagues that I accompanied, tracking in the duration of 1 hour the flow of information through the different communication channels, such as email, chatting with chat programs, mobile, landline, and different conversations of with colleagues in the office, as well as all famous ad hoc mini-meetings happening at the desk. Now, in this pretty typical example, you see in 5 minutes cuts the activities going on, and you see that they're in very dense sequence, and some of them even in parallel. Now, as you might guess, the second half of the hour also continues like that, and resulting in a total of 14 conversations and 7 written emails in that 1 hour, but only a few clicks in the PowerPoint presentation, which was the real work that the person was working on. And not surprisingly, maybe, none of the colleagues were actually aware about the number of conversations that they had managed in the meantime.
What's the breakthrough?
The breakthrough is that we're making visible how actually I'm busy really looks like. And at that time, that we're able to see how we can combine our different communications in the office, and to make sure that actually the misunderstandings that we're having, because it's not a question that they're there. They're composing part of our world reality, and that we're actually making them productive.
One quick one.
Yeah, just a question. Don't you think that communication is more important than just having PowerPoint?
Yeah, well, I'm not challenging that. The point is, I'm making visible. I'm making a feeling visible, which is not visible before.
So no disagreement. Thank you very much.